Welcome back to eCreativeAid. How to make pistachio cake. First, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, put the flour in the mixer, then add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix all the ingredients together, then add 1.5 cups sugar. After that, add 3/4 cup milk. Now add 1/4 cup oil. And add 5 eggs. Now zest a lemon to give it a fresh flavor. And add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now mix all the ingredients on speed 3. When the ingredients are mixed, you can add the fresh ground pistachios. And continue to mix. Spray the baking pan with vegetable oil. Now pour the cake mix into the pan. Preheat your oven to 425 Fahrenheit. And once it's baked, garnish it with whipped cream and delicious fresh pistachios. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.